So this is me at almost 2 a.m. in the midnight, and it is makeup hour. First off, I moisturize my lip because that is the best thing you can do for your lips at this point. So this is just the Vaseline lip balm, and I start to brush my eyebrows when I remember that no, I have to cleanse after all the day stress. You need to get a makeup on a very clean skin. So yeah, I take my micellar water and my cotton pad and I clean my face. So I'm cleaning all of the dirt off my face. You want to make sure that while you're making your face up, you want it to be clean. See how much dirt I got off my face, and I just use my fan to just cool my skin. You know, you need that let's continue. So I start to draw my brows. Now this makeup is the good old days makeup. You know, now we put foundation before we draw brows, but I said no, I'm going to do it the way we used to do it before. So yeah, I'm just drawing my brows and they are really light, nothing much. I don't really want too much mahala. So this is me just painting light strokes on my brow. Obviously that's how you want to be drawing your brow in 2022. You don't want to start painting, and this sweat block decided to just give me a taste of itself, and gosh, she did not taste nice. So I'm just applying my sweat block on my T-zones. So those are my forehead, my nose, and my chin, you know, those areas where I can sweat. So that's why I'm applying my sweat block. And here I am mixing 2 shades of concealers and 2 different products. I think I used Flawless and the normal Pro concealer. So that's the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is it. This is me. I am, oh god, I am concealing the way it should be done. So for concealer, you don't really need to go too light for your under brow, and for the upper brow you can use the shade of your foundation or something else. And yeah, my sweat block was already making my face look like cake, like my face was already feeling like concrete. So I decided to stretch the muscles of my face and continue concealing. And just because I don't want to bore you with the whole process of drawing my brows, at least I have a tutorial. If you're interested, just want to check that tutorial. It is well detailed on how to get a flawless brow in 2023. Just see my brows now, just see my brows. And here I have blended. I took a blending brush. That's very different from your concealing brush, very different. That brush that looks like mop, so I used it to blend out my concealer. And just because all work and no play makes Yemi the doll girl, so I decided to just play around a little before continuing with my makeup. So yeah, I took the remaining of my concealer. I don't want it to waste. I applied it as primer for my eyeshadow. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I was just playing around because who wakes up by 2 a.m. to start making up because they cannot sleep? So I was just playing around, nothing really much in mind to do. And I said to first give my eye the contour that I already lost by painting the whole thing with concealer. So I'm just giving my eye the much needed you understand contour you should get. So with a very dark powder, this is my darker shade of powder. If you are darker than me, that powder is for you. And I think that I use the B Charm Ageless palette. I just continue with my gel liner to draw a winged eyeliner. For some reason I wasn't just feeling the liner, it was looking somehow. So I just said to stop, Jerry. My eyeshadow will do the work. So I took my mauve eyeshadow and I decided to go for orange. You know, orange to just brighten up everything. So yeah, I was already thinking, this orange, hope I'll not regret it. And yeah, orange came to the rescue. So at this point, I was already feeling it. Okay, maybe it's not that bad. So I am done, and I start to I think I already applied my foundation. Yeah, so fast. I already applied my foundation, my concealer, and yeah, I am contouring. I love to contour. And I still use that my very dark powder to still contour my face all round. So to give it that really dark shade, or that dark you understand, everything formation so all the dark places will be dark, all the bright places will be bright, and everything will just be coming together. So yeah, I'm just using my normal powder to just set my face lightly. Just take at this point my face was already looking really white here, because of the light. I was doing this in the night, so I needed correct light, so the light was bouncing on my face and making the makeup look lighter than it actually was. But trust me, no, it wasn't light. It really wasn't light. No, I know what I'm doing. I know. So at this point, I'm just pushing it in, push. You don't want to start dragging all your products on your face up and down, so that concealer will not be fighting with foundation, and you understand, like that. Everything you want them to like stay in their place, and everybody should do their lane. So yeah, we are setting. It is so important to set. You gotta set, especially if you're going for a long lasting makeup. You understand? If you're going to carry the makeup all day, it is really important to set. And at this point, my lipstick, what is set? I'm just like, it's time to dust off. So we start to dust off, and I am spraying. I sprayed my setting spray to set everything, and this is my eye won't see shaggy today, but I'm like, no, this is 2023, I cannot see shaggy again. So after Shaggy Pro Max, see your babe looking like a babe, then the final setting. And what to do with my hair? Should I give you this? No. So they look like person won't go. No. I wasn't feeling this one. So I said, okay, let me just put it down and just give you guys side Jerry. And man, if you don't leave a comment, if you don't subscribe to my channel, oh no, I'm not to do. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.